Getting back to the bond, the court had indicated previously when Ms. Lohan was out of the country, the court intended to put conditions on her being out on bond. Those conditions were and are going to be, subject to hearing from counsel, the following: that she will, as a condition of remaining out on bond, drink no alcohol, have a scram device put on within 24 hours of today's proceedings, submit to random drug testing at the rate of 1 per week. You must Holly the name and number that she needs to call today to set that up. She attend all of her alcohol classes as scheduled, unless the class interferes with a random drug test. The random drug test will priority. That would be the only reason she could cancel a scheduled appearance. And those would be the conditions.
Your Honor, maybe.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. First of all, I want the court to know that Ms. Lohan intends to comply with all of the court's orders and directives. Your Honor made clear last week that actions speak louder than words, and she is prepared to demonstrate by action that she is in compliance with all of the court's conditions of bail and of probation. In that regard, she's already made arrangements to begin attending the alcohol program more than weekly. In fact, she'd like to attend and plans to attend daily.
It's actually better for her to do weekly. A lot of people like accelerated classes, and they're told, no, it's better to go once a week. You get more out of it.
Well, we will be working with the alcohol program in that regard. They recommend we will comply with. With respect to the scram device, I would like to make the court aware of a couple of things and an alternate suggestion. Ms. Lohan has a number of upcoming photo shoots as well as continuing to film a movie in Texas. The scram device would interfere with all of that work. Lohan is not, however, trying to get out of monitored by the court with respect to alcohol or drugs. For that reason, our alternative suggestion is that she be random tested for drugs and alcohol, in the manner the court sets forth. I believe it will have the same effect, which is to say that the court will be alerted to any indication of alcohol or drugs in her system, but would allow her to also make a living. The movie that she will have to shoot scenes for is filmed in Texas. And as Your Honor knows, the Scram headquarters is in Long Beach. So we want to comply. Ms. Lohan wishes to comply. We are just hoping that instead of a Scram bracelet, she can submit to drug and alcohol testing randomly in whatever manner the court's going.
Well, I do have a question, and that is, she needs to submit to random drug testing here, not in Texas. There's no excuse if she's in Texas to say, I can't show up because then it's random. So I'm going to delay that for now because that would prevent her from complying with the court's order.
I believe that there is probably a way that would satisfy the court and counsel. I'm sure that there is drug testing at reputable labs in Texas.
There's going to be drug testing here.
Okay, if the court would allow drug and alcohol testing here, again, I believe it would have the same objective and outcome as the court and counsel wish and are concerned about, but would obviate the need for a bulky bracelet that would interfere with her work.
All right. First, what I would like to find out is that the court doesn't intend to change it. And I'm prepared to make a record if you would like me to do so. The court can impose reasonable conditions on the granting of bail, and I have a number of things that I could say regarding my reasons for what I have indicated I'm going to do. If the defendant is going to accept these conditions on bail, I need not make that record. If she's not going to accept these conditions on bail or objects to them, well, if you object to that, I will make my record to make it clear to the law as to why the court is justified in doing this. So first of all, let me find